This is the Fourier Heat Conduction Interactive Calculator, which solves steady-state heat transfer problems through solid materials using Fourier's law. The calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu: Calculate Heat Transfer Rate Q, Calculate Heat Flux Q, Calculate Required Thickness L, Calculate Thermal Conductivity K, Calculate Temperature Difference dT, and Calculate Surface Temperature T2. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Heat Transfer Rate mode. The input fields are thermal conductivity K in watts per meter Kelvin, cross-sectional area A in square meters, hot surface temperature T1 in degrees Celsius, cold surface temperature T2 in degrees Celsius, thickness L in meters, heat transfer rate Q in watts, heat flux Q in watts per square meter, and temperature difference dT in Kelvin. Let's work through an example. With the Calculate Heat Transfer Rate mode selected, I'll enter the thermal conductivity, cross-sectional area, both surface temperatures, and thickness values. After clicking the Calculate button, the calculator determines the heat transfer rate through the material based on Fourier's law. This output tells you how much thermal energy flows through your material per second, which is critical for thermal management design. Understanding this flow allows engineers to optimize insulation and cooling systems effectively for any solid material application. Try the Fourier Heat Conduction Calculator yourself. Find the link in the description below.